students, let us start classification of organic compound. Let us simplest organic compounds are made up of carbon and hydrogen only. So simplest organic compounds are known as hydrocarbons. Simplest organic compounds are known as hydrocarbon. Beta, these hydrocarbons have some heteroatoms, that is oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, halogen, etc. Beta, when we start to classify the organic compound, beta, organic compounds are basically classified into two categories. First one, open chain. Second one, closed chain. Closed chain organic compounds are also known as cyclic organic compounds. Beta, open chain organic compounds are those organic compounds in which first and last carbon is easily identified. First and last carbon is easily identified. Beta, it is just like this. These open chain hydrocarbons or open chain compounds are again be classified into two subcategories. First one, straight chain. Other one, branched chain. Other one, branched chain. That means this open chain hydrocarbon or open chain organic compound have some branches like this. Like this. Straight chain and branched chain. Beta, these two classes or open chain organic compounds are also known as aliphatic organic compounds. Are known as aliphatic organic compounds. Beta, these organic compounds may have some functional group like this, maybe nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, etc. Here, these are the open chain hydrocarbon or open chain organic compounds. Let us start closed chain or cyclic compounds. The organic compounds in which first and last carbon is also be joined together. Beta, open chain maybe start from 2, 3, but closed chain, simplest organic compound is start with at least 3 carbon because 1 or 2 carbon do not form any chain. Beta, in closed chain, first and last carbon is also joined by covalent bond. Or you can say first and last carbon is not be identified. Either this carbon is first or this carbon is first or this carbon is first. That is depends on you or on the basis of functional group or heteroatom present in the compound. Otherwise, in simple hydrocarbon, they can't be identified. Better they can't be identified. When we will start the classification of cyclic organic compounds or closed chain organic compound, better these are to be classified into two categories: homocyclic and heterocyclic. Organic compound. Better homocyclic organic compound means ring chain or closed chain or cycle of the compound is formed by combination of carbon atoms only, and valency of carbon atom will be filled either by hydrogen or by some other heteroatom present in the organic compound. Clear? Now beta, homocyclic means either the number of carbon atom present in the organic compound are be joined like this, no heteroatom involved in the ring chain, just like this. Clear? This is homocyclic. If we have compound like this, one heteroatom is involved in the carbon chain in closed chain. Carbon closed chain, one heteroatom is involved. One or two heteroatom is involved. That is known as heterocyclic. Beta, most common example that you will learn is pyridine. It is furan. Pyrrole. Thiophene. These are the heterocyclic organic compound involved in your syllabus. Homocyclic organic compounds be categorized into two categories. First one, alicyclic, and another one, aromatic. Beta, alicyclic organic compound or closed chain organic compound behave as aliphatic organic compounds, but aromatic organic compounds are those organic compounds which have different property as compared to aliphatic. Better, they have particular pleasant smell. Alicyclic organic compound either open chain or closed chain. Aliphatic organic compound either open chain or closed chain. Better, they will burn with non-sooty flame, but they will burn with sooty flame. Better, they may be saturated or unsaturated. They contain double bond, triple bond or single bond also, but they are highly unsaturated. They are highly unsaturated. In case of alicyclic organic compound, we will have saturated or unsaturated. Saturated or unsaturated. Either contain functional group or not. Beta, may contain functional group, unsaturated, may have any functional group. Just like this. All are alicyclic. They behave as aliphatic organic compounds. But aromatic, better, they are again be converted into two classes. One, benzenoid. Another one, non-benzenoid. Aromatic in nature but are non-benzenoid. Benzenoid, in which benzene ring is present. Beta, benzene ring is hexacyclic compound having 3 double bonds at alternate position. Particular conjugation is there. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. That is known as conjugation. Particular conjugation present in hexacyclic compound that is homocyclic in nature. It is known as benzene. The compound, beta benzene is a highly organic aromatic compound. The compound having benzene is known as benzenoid. Beta, the compound having benzene may be isolated or may be fused ring. You have benzene with some functional group like halogen, haloarine, like alcohol as functional group, it is phenol, aldehyde, ketone, etc. These are isolated benzene ring. Some other example of isolated benzene ring is that two benzene rings combine together through a single bond. It have two benzene ring in isolated form. It is known as diphenyl. Then 3 triphenyl, tetraphenyl, pentaphenyl and so many. But it also have fused ring, just like this. Two benzene ring fused together through 2 carbon. It is known as naphthalene. You all see naphthalene ball you see at your home. This is fused benzene ring. This is isolated benzene ring. Beta, more than 2. If 3 benzene ring combine together linearly, it is known as anthracene. It is known as anthracene. 3 benzene ring combine together but not linearly. One is slightly above the second one. Then it is known as phenanthrene. 4 benzene ring combine together just like this. Just like this, beta, it is known as pyrene. These are fused, these are isolated, then single bond. All these are included under the heading of benzenoid. All are included under the heading of benzenoid. But we have some organic compound that do not contain benzene, but they are homocyclic in nature. They are homocyclic in nature, but they do not contain benzene, yet they are aromatic. Just like this. This is the cyclopropenyl carbocation. Carbon carry positive charge. Is aromatic in nature. Beta, it is aromatic in nature. Same for pentacyclic. Same for pentacyclic. Each carbon is sp2 hybridized. It is aromatic in nature, but it do not contain any benzene ring. This is known as non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. These are non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. Now, heterocyclic organic compounds which are aromatic in nature. Non-cyclic. These are again of 2 types. Aromatic, non-aromatic. Beta, non-aromatic, for example, it is known as epoxide, cyclic ether, aromatic. Each carbon present is aromatic, conjugation is there, planar structure. You learn 3 example at least for it. Thiophene, beta pyrrole, and furan. Pentacyclic structure having 2 double bond, but heteroatom, nature of heteroatom will be changed. You must learn these compounds necessarily. This is all about the classification of organic compounds. Beta, organic compounds are basically be classified into 2 categories. That is open chain, closed chain. That means organic compounds classified into 2 categories. Open chain, beta closed chain, or you will say ring chain or cyclic chain. Organic compound, beta open chain. Organic compounds are be classified into 2 categories: straight chain, branch chain. Straight chain or branch chain. Then closed chain be classified into 2 categories: alicyclic, aromatic. Alicyclic and aromatic. Beta alicyclic closed chain structure will be divided into these are classified as homocyclic, heterocyclic. Homocyclic be classified into 2 categories: alicyclic, aromatic. Beta alicyclic organic compounds are under the heading of aliphatic, but aromatic organic compounds are divided into 2 categories: benzenoid, non-benzenoid. Heterocyclic again be divided into 2 categories: non-aromatic and aromatic in nature. Non-aromatic and aromatic in nature. Now, our another topic, what is functional group? Our another topic is what is functional group. Beta, you learn this definition in your lower class, that is 10th. Functional group are the atoms or group of atoms which is combined with organic compound or hydrocarbon and determine the property of hydrocarbons or carbon chain. Beta, functional group are atoms or group of atom which combine with hydrocarbon and determine, or you can say decide, the property of hydrocarbon. Clear? Beta, these functional group are class of organic compound. Functional group are carbon-carbon single bond. This class of organic compound that contain carbon-carbon single bond is known as alkane, which contain at least one double bond. It is alkene. Triple bond, it is alkyne. Having OH at the one end of the carbon chain, that is alcoholic. CHO group, it is aldehydic. CO group, ketonic. COCl group, it is acid chloride. Acid chloride. COOH group, carboxylic acid group. Beta CONH2, that is known as amide. That is known as amide. COO, both valencies are empty but never BH. It is ester. It is the branch ester. If oxygen present in between the carbon chain, it is ether. It is ether. If two carbon monoxide group, CO group, combine together through single oxygen, is known as acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. It is known as acid anhydride. Beta, if halogen present at the end of carbon chain or in the carbon chain, halogen represented by X, it is known as halides. Maybe fluorine, maybe chlorine, maybe bromine, maybe iodine. If NO2 group present, it is known as nitro compounds. ONO, nitrite. Carbon triple bond N, carbon combined with the carbon chain, cyano group, cyano compounds. If nitrogen combined with carbon chain with the same functional group, it is known as isocyano compounds. NH2 group present at the end of carbon chain, it is amine. If N triple bond N positive, Cl negative, it is known as diazonium chloride, etc. These are the functional group if they are present at the end of the carbon chain or in the carbon chain. Then property of carbon compound or hydrocarbon will be totally changed. These are known as functional group. Now, on the basis of functional group present at the end of carbon chain or present in the carbon chain, that group of same functional group compound having same functional group is known as homologous series. Homologous series is the series of organic compound having same functional group, same physical and chemical property, but these compounds differ by CH2 group only. These groups are differ by CH2 group only from one member to another. Suppose we have methane. It is the first member of simplest hydrocarbon alkane. Beta 1 CH add CH2. Another one is C2H6. It is ethane. Again add CH2. it is C3H8. For example, alcohol. Simplest, you have one carbon, OH, 3 valencies are filled by hydrogen. It is methanol. Then another member consists of 2 carbon, another member 3 carbon, 4 carbon, and so on. Beta, each successive member of the series is differ by CH2 group only. What is the atomic mass? Atomic mass is 14 AMU. Atomic mass unit. The series consists of organic compound having same functional group, and each member of the series is differ by 14 atomic mass unit or CH2 group. That type of series is known as homologous series. Beta, what are the characteristics of homologous series? Characteristic of homologous series is that each homologue in the series is represented by journal formula. Beta, homologous series is represented by journal formula. Suppose for alcohol, we can represent like this: CnH2n plus 1 OH. Functional group remains same. Beta, if n is equal to 1, C1H2 into 1 plus 1 OH. Solve it, CH3OH. It is the first member. If you consider 4, n is equal to 4, then what happened? In place of n4, H2 into 4 plus 1 OH. C4H9 OH. You will consider 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 9. 9 OH. So you can say first characteristic of homologous series is that homologous series is represented by journal formula. Homologous series is represented by journal formula. Then another one, all the member of series have same functional group. Beta, you will see clearly. Third, successive member of the series is differ by CH2 group or 14 atomic mass unit. Then individual member of homologous series can be prepared by journal preparation. Beta, physical properties of the homologous series have regular gradation, means regular change in the property due to their different atomic mass. And chemical property of the homologous series is similar through first member because of same functional group.